Have you ever been on a motorcycle trip where you packed a ton of clothes but ended up using far less than you expected? It's a rite of passage and we have all been there. In this episode of Touring Tips, we are looking at a few simple changes that you can make to shrink what's in your luggage. Reducing the bulkiness of your luggage is not just about carrying less, but also choices of what you use too. Instead of loading up with 8 to 10 t-shirts, you can easily survive many weeks on the road with just 2 sets of base layers and 2 or 3 t-shirts for end-of-day use. Base layers are light and packed down much smaller than regular tees. They are moisture wicking and more comfortable to wear under your riding gear, and most importantly, easy to wash and quick to dry when they need a refresh. Similarly, light trekking pants or shorts are lighter and far more compact to carry when compared to denims or other options. Compact, compressible puffers and a functional mid-layer like the ViaTerra Boreal make a big difference too. Being able to use the same warm jacket under your riding gear and at the end of your ride day eliminates the need to carry additional bulky gear. It is essential to have additional footwear to use when you get out of your riding boots. A pair of basic flip-flops will take up almost no room in your luggage. If you prefer closed shoes, something light and compressible will be a lot easier to carry and use. Another simple way to skim bulk and weight is by shrinking your grooming and care kit. Instead of big bottles, you can decant soap, shampoo and whatever else you need into smaller travel-friendly sized bottles. Yes, sachets can be convenient too, but travel-sized containers are better from a sustainability perspective. The journey towards lighter luggage is an ongoing pursuit, and these are tips that will help you get started. Do you have hacks that you use to minimize what you carry? Tell us more about them in the comments. Thanks for watching.